We've driven over to England for the summer to escape the Tuscan heat, although, as it turns out, it's been pretty hot here too.
Hello.
This time we've got our van with us, which gives us a little more space and freedom than travelling by car. So we thought we'd make the most of it and explore a bit more than we usually do. After a few days with Dad, we headed down to Devon to meet up with some friends. This is my worst nightmare. Adam, where the hell have you sent me? Oh my god, this is terrifying. If there's another car coming, I'm going to die.
It's a bit more larger than a pathway. This
can't be the only way to get there.
You go too fast, amore. Go slowly.
Just want it to be over and done with.
Oh my gosh.
There were 3 places that I was scared to drive in with a van. The road to Montepatuso in Positano, the motorway tunnels around and through Genova, and the narrow Devon lanes. But I've thrown myself in the deep end, and in the last month I've actually conquered them all. This morning we left Dad's and we've driven down to, where are we? Devon. And we've met up with Tanya and Adam from Jits Into the Sunset. We've just had lunch with them at their house and they've booked us all into a campsite about 40 minutes away from where they live. And we've just pulled up with the van. It is beautiful here. It's got to be one of the best campsite views ever. This is just stunning. So we're in this field. There's only a couple of other people over there. Tanya and Adam will pull in here and then look at the view behind us. Just beautiful. Hello, puppy dogs.
Adesso non lo vedi più, ma c'è un vigneto là. Sembra un vigneto.
We're walking down to the beach. Hopefully there's a pathway here, so we don't have to walk on this rather scary road, which is very narrow. Look at that! Welcome to the old fishing village of B-Sands. When you think about high season in Positano on the beach, you can't believe that anywhere else in the world would be like this in July and August.
No, vabbè, non in ogni parte del mondo, però qui è molto differente. Comunque, il colore dell'acqua è stupendo anche qui. La spiaggia è anche migliore di quella di Positano perché è molto più lunga, è piacevole da camminare, non è bollente. E abbiamo un sacco di spazio tutto per noi. Che cosa vuoi chiedere di più dalla vita?
Over the years, I've become so used to summers in Positano, the small crowded beaches, crammed with sun loungers and umbrellas, ferries offloading day trippers, and the chaos of boats coming and going, that discovering this calm, sleepy beach on a hot day in August feels completely surreal to me. Don't get me wrong, I love the energy and bustle of Positano in the summer, but sometimes you just need some peacefulness in your life, and this beach right now feels magical to me. So this is our bed for the night. This is our bedside view. It's just stunning here. There's a few more campers arrived, and if we come down, Tanya and Adam have arrived.
She's trying to find the sun.
Yeah.
And Holly is making friends with the neighbours. Yeah, you don't know any better.
You don't know any better,
yeah.
and you don't know why certain things will work together. Like what?
Do you guys have a way of boiling water?
Yes.
'Cause we didn't bring a
Yes.
we didn't bring a kettle or
Yes.
anything, or even a pot, did we?
No, we didn't. She is.
She is.
See, she helps you with the English.
She helps you insult her.
90% of the time. What? I'm loose.
Io ti aiuto a insultarmi.
Yeah. Yeah.
Accent you said.
There is in this
Oh,
one
this is in this
actually.
one, okay.
That's got candela wax,
Okay.
but the butters are carpaccio.
There'd be this huge party happening, and it was those classic like wild child teenage years. They've gone down the second one there.
That might just be a bit part of the coastal path.
Yeah, let's see if they come out down on the beach. Oh God.
Don't scratch the van.
Can't really help it. How do you manage to fit down these roads in Jits? Is it not that wide?
It's not that. I don't know. I just use
Do you drive Jits?
No, I'm still learning how to drive.
full stop.
Oh, okay.
Full stop.
No, I guess I'm just used to it. I use the wing mirrors and the hedge as my guides, so I can hear. Tick, 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 tick. I know I'm at the edge.
I'm just getting used to the size of the van still. It's so easy driving on a motorway, and then it's all great because I'm really throwing myself in the deep end and getting as much practice as possible, which is great.
Yeah, because you're not really used to these really thin lanes.
No, even though in Positano they are very narrow.
Not quite like this.
It's just getting used to the size of the van, and it's actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Good. Well, you're doing very well. You've done your big three now.
Yeah, I have. I don't think there's anything left that I was scared to do. It was definitely these roads here, and I thought, oh well, I'm not going down there. I won't be doing that.
And then immediately I send you on a...
I've ticked it all off the box in the first month of having the van, even before a month. Right now, is that a car park? No,
Yeah.
it's not, is it?
I think it is.
No, I think that's fishermen only.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Devi andare là, guarda.
Stay then on the
Here,
right.
that's perfect. Yeah.
Did you see some cows, did you, Leo? Yeah. Because there was loads of them at the beach we were at the other day, and it was fine.
It is
Leo,
incredible smoke.
keep an eye.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks warmer.
It's really nice.
It's so nice.
You're really doing a really great job. I'm impressed. You're a very good driver.
Bloody well hope so, because this is terrifying. Nearly there. We said goodbye to Tanya, Adam and baby Leo and drove on to a nearby town to visit some other dear friends. They may not have had the beach on their doorstep, but they took us to a beautiful spot along the river where we cooled off with another refreshing swim. Last year I said that I wanted to make a point of visiting Tanya and Tina every year because spending time with them does my soul so much good. I'm so happy that we've actually managed to make it happen, and I think we may have just started a new tradition. The water was cold and I didn't really want to go in, but it looked so inviting. After Tina jumped in, I just had to follow her, and we ended up swimming quite a way up the river and back, chatting all the way. Sometimes it's so good to get out of your comfort zone. I'll never forget this swim. This is amazing. I want to live here.
You want to leave
I
that?
want to live here.
Okay.
River. I want to be a river mermaid.
We can move easily.
Lovely.
So we are in Meadows Road. Fox, wherever you want. Wow. So, wow, Fox. That is amazing. Very good, Fox. Very good.
Tina offered us a bed for the night and we gladly accepted. It had been a long couple of days and I was more than happy not to have to drive any further that evening. We slept like logs in a lovely comfortable attic room before saying our goodbyes the following morning.
Which is fine, you know, but I like to have one day in Kingston and make sure I'm shop. Yeah. He doesn't even like that. Yeah. Do that on my own and dash around quickly. Yeah. But there's not really much to do. No.
We stopped for a break and some lunch in Frome, a pretty Somerset town, before continuing back to Dad's. They're so friendly. They're like, come in, please come in, have a look around, bring the dogs. Hey. England was still in the midst of a heat wave, so over the next few days we found ourselves seeking out the nearest rivers where it was a little cooler and we could paddle, swim and escape the heat for a while. Very hot day at the River Thames and Carla's going to go in.
Avrei mai pensato di fare il bagno nel camici, ma ho caldo, è caldo, l'acqua è calda, farò il bagno nel camici.
No, no.
Sì.
Com'è? Stai attento ai correnti, eh? Careful of the currents.
È decisamente più caldo dell'acqua del mare.
See, infatti this is the warmest body of water I've been in so far in England. No, of a guy from school who was in my class who swims every morning in this. A lot of people wouldn't dare go in because it might not be the cleanest river, but apparently it's dirtier when it's rained, and it hasn't rained for weeks and weeks and weeks here, so I suppose it's the cleanest it's going to be. And I know there's a lot, I've just asked, there's loads of people swimming here all the time. There's ropes attached to all these trees where people launch themselves and jump in. Look at the state of you! You're filthy!
Mi sento molto più fresca adesso, è bellissimo! Non avrei mai pensato, dopo essere venuto qua per più di 20 anni, sempre in inverno, a dicembre con un freddo, di fare il bagno così nel Tamigi, è bellissimo.
Ah, and there's a rope swing over there. You can throw yourself in if you want. I've never been to Norfolk before, and as I was currently reading a book set in the Norfolk Broads, I thought, well, why not go and see it for ourselves? It was a 4-hour drive, so we booked a simple campsite field for 3 nights right near the coast. We were close to the Stiff Key salt marshes, part of the Blakeney National Nature Reserve, which is one of the richest salt marsh habitats in the country. The marshes are flooded by the tide every day, bringing in nutrients and providing an important feeding ground for all sorts of birds and wildlife. Luckily, the tide was out that afternoon, so we set off for a long walk. We kept the dogs on their leads so they didn't disturb the wildlife and followed the paths through this wonderfully wild open landscape. Eventually, the marshes gave way to a vast expanse of sand stretching towards the sea that still seemed miles away in the distance. We let the dogs run free for a while on the flat sand before leashing them for the walk back through the marshes. The next day, we visited Holcombe Beach, one of the UK's biggest, untouched and most beautiful beaches. On a nature reserve, it's surrounded by pine forests and sand dunes with a vast expanse of sand. This was one of the most exhilarating and stunning walks we've done in ages. We spent an afternoon visiting Wells next to the sea, and the day after we returned for a morning walk along the beach. Just in case you missed it, we filmed that day, bringing you along with us for a day exploring, and the video is already out on Aperitivo 50, our midweek channel.
What?
After our beach walk, we visited the amazing ruins at Castleacre and stopped briefly in the pretty village of Horning. We stayed overnight in Reedham and would have liked to stay longer and maybe hire some kayaks to paddle through the Broads, but it was Saturday and everywhere was fully booked.
But it's dead level with Holland, and that's where it all came from.
Ah, okay.
It's the same flat land in geographic terms or whatever.
Yeah.
So you can't find anywhere around the Broads to park.
No, it's packed out. I mean, there's one place I might,
And
and
indeed, no,
if
you
not,
don't
we'll
know.
just drive home this evening. I mean, it doesn't really matter what time we get back.
Well, you can sleep on the drive if you come back, if it's still camping.
Alright, okay.
Well, listen, enjoy your day. I'll talk to you later.
Alright then, okay, bye.
Lots of love. Come on.
So we drove away from Norfolk, passing through Suffolk, where we stopped at the seaside town of Shoreham, before heading back to Dad's again.